Welcome back, guys, to the Dutchcarsofficial channel. Today we're going to get some coffee, me and my friend. He has that car. You can also follow him on Instagram, blackpolo14 if you want. We are going to Belgium to get some coffee with this car. It's a very loud Hyundai Coupe, as you guys already know. And I think we're gonna get some weird looks. It's a bit of a stormy day, so I hope I can film the storm also, because I like storms. I don't know why, but I like to see the thunder. I don't know. But make sure you get some popcorn, some chips. Enjoy yourself. I hope you enjoyed the POV. And if you want more of these type of videos, just let me know. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. And we'll be seeing you inside the car. So, we'll be driving off to Belgium to get some coffee with this loud Hyundai Coupe. Since I got the new wheels on the car, the steering wheel is a little bit curved to the right, so I need to go to the garage and straighten the car up again, because it isn't straight right now. Ooh, she's getting warm. This is just one of the best sports cars for a cheap price. It's very good with handling, very nice acceleration. Could be a little bit faster, but it's pretty nice. So I think I'm gonna try a new Starbucks flavor that I saw on the coffee station. So I hope it tastes well, otherwise it has been a waste of time. But we shall see. I hope you can hear the car well and not too much wind. Quick fourth gear pull. We'll be going from second gear now, so this is gonna be a good one. Feels like a racetrack. This car has so much grip. It's fucking amazing. Really good car. Easy 120. Easy. Ooh. Nice thunderstorm in the background. That's enjoyable. It's a really night drive right now. Stormy night drive on the way to the coffee shop. I also need to tank again, because as you can see I only have 102 kilometers to go, and if I do some more pulls like that, it won't last that long. So I also need to tank a little bit, otherwise I'll be stuck somewhere. You know what they say, drop a gear and we will disappear. I really like the bypass sound. It's almost like a straight pipe sound, but not definitely a straight pipe, because I still have I didn't decat the car, so it is not straight piped. But it sounds already pretty loud, so I have have nothing to complain about. Oh no, 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 you ain't going first. Oh, it's going to heavily rain on in my town, so we shall see how the backtracking will be. It should be fun. It should be fun the way back, because it's already starting to storm a little bit. So I wonder how it will be. In case you're wondering, this car, I have done nothing to the power of it. This is just a stock 2.0 power, so it is not something amazing, but it's not bad for a 2.0. So now we have arrived at Belgium. This is the border. It's a 50 zone, but I always like to drive 60 here, because the highway is just on the end of this street. But we are not going on the highway today. If you guys want to see a POV of me going on the highway, let me know and we can arrange that, because I really like driving on the highway. And I still have to test the louvres out on the highway, because I didn't test them yet on the highway. So I don't know what to expect from it. It's just weird, because in Belgium the rules are so different. On a street like this, in the Netherlands, you can drive between 60 and 80. Some of them are 80, some of them are 60. And here it's all of them are 70. It's really weird, because it's just a neighboring land and it's really easy to get here. But the rules are just, yeah, pretty different. Also on the highway in the Netherlands, we are an eco-friendly country. So they want us to drive 100 on the highway between 6 in the morning until 6 in the evening, and after that and before that you can drive 120. And in Belgium you can always drive 120, so it's pretty weird. While in the Netherlands the highways are much better than in Belgium, so it's pretty weird that they allow that. I would expect it to be the other way around. Also, if you guys ever come near this place, Lommel, watch out for this, because here is a camera, a police camera. If you drive above 50, you'll get a fine, so watch out for it. And there's another one a little bit further, and I'll tell you when that one is, because on Google Maps it says you can go 70, but that's a lie, because if you go 70 you'll get a fine from 20 kilometers too hard, and I can assure you that is pretty painful if you have to pay that. Oh, it's starting to rain. I think we will have a storm on the way back, so we shall see how the way back will look like. Maybe I'll do a time lapse on the way back, because if it's a little bit stormy then I have to, of course, drive more carefully, so I cannot do any pulls or something like that. So it will be a bit boring just to see me driving like normally without saying anything. So you'll see how the way back looks like, and you'll see it in the video. Oh, the prices are a little bit better, because I have 98 octane in this car. And I think it will be storming pretty soon, so I think I'll be hanging the GoPro, just to be sure. So we're almost there. The coffee shop that I'm going is just up ahead. So here is the other pole. There's this one, as you can see, and it says you can go 70 here, but you can only go 50. If you go 70 you'll get a fine, so also watch out for it. Well, there's some people running around. So here we are. I'll have to wait for this guy to go further, because I need to also tank. So I'll see you in a bit. Coconut coffee. I like the taste of it. Tastes pretty well. So if you come here, try this one. It's a really good one. Also, as you can see outside, it is storming. I don't know if you can see it that well, but it's storming outside. So you guys will be seeing a time lapse of the way back. So hope you enjoy it. So we made it back, as you can see. It's still raining really hard. We almost had some stupid people. One almost came into me. I'll try to slow the footage down if I can, so that you can see. One overtook me and I couldn't see anything. But for the rest, it was a nice trip. So I hope you guys enjoy it. If you want to see more of this kind of videos, like POV videos, be sure to leave a like and a comment. Let me know. And I hope to see you again very soon. Bye bye.